Hi guys! I made my first ever chocolate moist cake. Sobrang moist, sobrang sarap, kaya try nyo na din. In a large mixing bowl, put 1 and 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Add 3/4 cup of cocoa, 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 cup white sugar and brown sugar. Mix until dry ingredients combine. And let's add the wet ingredients. Add 2 large eggs, 1 cup of evap milk, 1/2 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Mix the wet and dry ingredients. Then add 1 cup of hot coffee. And then mix until all the ingredients combine. And then i-transfer mo na sa iyong baking pan. Don't forget to preheat your oven over 150 Celsius. Then bake for 35 to 40 minutes. For chocolate fudge, add 1 cup white sugar, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Mix until all the dry ingredients combine. Then add 1 cup evap milk, 1/4 cup of water. Bago mabuksan ng apoy, add 2 egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Haluin mo lang siya ng haluin hanggang sa lumapot siya. Then pagka ganito na ang texture, then add 40 grams of salted butter. Then i-mix mo lang hanggang sa matunaw yung butter. And patayin mo na din yung apoy. Sinala ko siya para maging smooth lalo yung texture ng aking chocolate fudge. And this is my chocolate fudge. Sobrang sarap and hindi siya ganun katamis and sobrang stable siya sa cake. Now you can make your own cake. I know na hindi perfect ang pagkakahati ko, pero sa lasa na lang tayo bumawi, kaya try nyo na din para makagawa na din kayo ng sarili nyong cake. Thank you for watching!